Alright, DJ, we got somebody to sing the national anthem since I can't find it. Everybody stand at attention, we're going to sing the national anthem. For from the love of liberty in the hands of hope and prayer, with boundless faith, your destiny we solemnly declare. Side by side we stand, islands of the blue Caribbean Sea, this our native land. We pledge our lives to thee. Every creed and race finds an equal place, and may God bless our nation, where every creed and race finds an equal place, and may God bless our nation. All right. Go, my